A minimal space is a space that is very minimally designed.
Liminal.
Liminal,
Yeah.
liminal I think is the key.
It's minimally inhabited?
What?
Liminal.
Liminal.
Minimal.
A kind of in-between space.
Like a waiting room.
Where you don't see an ending to it or an exit.
It's like after a party, when there's nobody there, but it's not been cleaned up.
You have these dreams where you're living in your apartment and there's like 3 or 4 extra rooms that you've never gone into before. You get so excited and you enter those rooms, and every time I do that, they tend to have a little bit of a chain reaction in these other spaces. So
I have those dreams too.
I actually went down this rabbit hole of watching all these videos of liminal spaces.
of course you did.
I just go into stuff sometimes because I'm a nerd.